David, va a presentar a los muchachos Davis, David, va con ustedes.
Hola.
David, Mildred, vaya. Para el fondo. Okay.
Hola. Okay,
David.
gracias.
So, welcome to vlog number 69. Today, I'm in Nicaragua and clearly in the back of a truck because I'm headed to Somoto Canyon for one of the coolest tours to date. So the Somoto Canyon is located right near the border with Honduras. And not only is it a beautiful hike to get there, but, well, there's a reason I'm wearing a life jacket.
Siempre hay uno que se quiere reír.
So cute. The cow followed, and they're now trying to come this really gnarly, steep, rocky place. This is so cute. Hola! You're gonna try and come. It's really hard. They're both coming. It's so funny. I can't believe they're following. It's like I did not think like cow hooves could make this type of path. Good girl. Oh, this is so cute. They're literally following. Hi, my love. Yeah, what are you doing there? How do you get there? How do you get down here? Crazy little cow. So this tour of Somoto Canyon will not only be hiking and rock scrambling, but there is a river that flows through it. And you guessed it, we're getting in. Sneakers, clothes, and GoPros. This is a fully immersive tour. Okay, this is the part where we start going in the water. Delaying it. Delaying the inevitable. Well, my little chicken butt couldn't delay the plunge much longer because we were starting to get in a little more deep. Oh my god, our guide is getting into a wetsuit. Okay, into the water we go. As much of a chicken as I am, once I was in the water, I loved it. I mean, it's kind of impossible not to enjoy. The water is so fresh and so clear and just so delightful. So the tour is basically a giant adventure of scrambling over rocks, skipping across currents, and plunging back into the water for another swim. Even for being a big chicken in the water, the adventure in me loved this tour so much.
Fish in the sea, flowers and trees, every little bumblebee. I wanna sing. Ooh, ah, oh. To the kids playing hoops, going loose shoes in my hand and my feet in the sand. I got 20 ducklings in a row like a little marching band, and they sing ooh, ah, ooh, ah, oh. To the couples in love and the seagulls above, and any other living thing or creature I can think of, I wanna sing. I wanna sing. Just wanna sing.
First time in a long time I've been on a bus. Our two little puppies, huh? Who's two little puppies, huh? Okay, leaving Somoto, headed into the mountain area to see some rock sculptures apparently. There's a little hike, and this man who's 83 years old apparently carves into the stone there. That sounds really cool. I'm gonna go check that out and then either stay around there, or I might try and make the big trek over to Leon, because as I told you, I don't have so much time in Nicaragua. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. So next up is another one of my favorite spots in Nicaragua. It's one of those places that is not exactly on the tourist trail, but has been shared among the overland community. It's basically a home of an older man called Alfredo Gutierrez, who has created a lifetime of work of stone carvings into the natural rock. He sounded to me like a legend and a true creator, and I couldn't miss the chance to try and go see it. But if only I could manage to find it first. Okay, I think I've made it to the rock formations, the rock sculptures. Here's my bike parked literally just on the side of this dirt road here. And I got instructions that there's the green gate, which looks like it's right down there. So I'm pretty excited about this. And let's see if I can find it. El Piedras. No. Oops, I made my first wrong turn. I'm now really unsure whether I go down this path or that path. Ah, derecho. Okay, gracias. Here we go. There's cows here. Hola, señor. ¿Qué pasó? Oh, hi. Hi. Oh, no, okay. Oh, clever. It's okay. Let me down. Good boy. Oh. There's the welcome crew. Now, once again, I'm kind of lost. Hola? Hola? Okay. Oh, which path is it? Okay, ran into other overlanders. That was pretty fun. And now I see a sign. There's already been a few lefts and rights, but I went left. There's like so many paths. It's like, where do they all go? think they all go to like lookout points. Wow, look at this. I don't know what it is. There's a bunch of benches. This finca el Acate. Looks like it's maybe a place that he could teach. Because there's a bunch of benches. And look, boom. The tree fell through the roof.
This place already felt so cool. Like a little scavenger hunt in the forest. And soon, I'd stumble upon what would feel like an ancient lost city.
Oh wow, here they are. They're really cool. I think these are steps.
Lucky me, when I got to the bottom, I got to meet Don Alfredo himself.
Hola.
Hola, mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto. Yo soy Tamara.
Bueno, Alberto, una casita voy haciendo aquí.
Wow.
Ay, de ahí se le hace ventanitas así alrededor. Ajá.
Y es una escultura.
Escultura, sí.
Wow.
Ajá.
Qué
Le
bonito.
gustó arriba, es bonito.
Que es México.
Precioso. Vaya, tómale foto a una.
Sí.
Tener celulares para tomarse fotos.
Qué chido.
Ajá. Que la cargue.
Oh.
Es de pura piedra.
Eso.
Then Alfredo proceeded to enthusiastically share all his creations.
Wow. Wow.
De muchas historias de Nicaragua.
Sí, son historias.
Ajá, y este es un guardabanco de llanta de vehículos.
Wow, sí.
Este es un faraón en el cuadro.
Wow.
Ajá. El café.
¿Eso es café?
Ese es el granito del café. Aquí se procesa, es
¿Sí?
como una uva. Aquí me figuré yo mismo, aquí, ¿ves?
Wow.
Ajá. Yo pinté todo.
Wow.
Ajá. Ahí. Paz, humildad y felicidad. Don Alberto Gutiérrez. Qué bonito. Ahí dice a Sandini, a Rubén Darío, Francisco Rivera Quintero. Bonito.
Personas, ayúdate.
Ajá, para cuando venga gente aquí se hospeda.
¿Sí?
Aquí es bonito ahí.
Bonito.
Ajá.
Wow.
Y la vista que tiene para allá.
Wow.
Estoy yo felicitándolos con una mano de paz, amor y felicidad. Se dirigen allá por la entrada allá. Mira aquí qué bonito, ¿ves que ando bonito?
Muy bonito.
Ajá.
Todo. Wow. ¿Cómo se llama eso?
Se llaman tucanes.
Tocane.
El ave nacional de Nicaragua.
¿Cómo se llama?
Guardabarranco. Es para mi trabajo que me traen eso.
Wow.
And by no surprise at all, every being on this finca seemed a little extra special.
Ahí tómale foto al animalito.
Me encantan los animales.
Le gusta que lo toquen el animal.
Ella le gusta mucho.
¿Ves? Él no tiene miedo, nada.
¿Yo? Él.
El animal.
Sí, nada.
I seriously could have pet this chicken and stayed here all day. But soon it was time to leave.
Alberto son hermanos también.
Sí,
wow.
hermanos. Sí.
6 hermanos.
Sí.
Wow. ¿Y eres de aquí y naciste en esta área?
Aquí.
Ajá. Mucho gusto, gracias por todo.
Igual.
Gracias, Alberto.
Ya se
Con
va.
mucho gusto.
No, pues, que Dios me la bendiga, pues.
Qué impresionante es
Que
México.
tenga buena tarde, bueno.
Gracias, igualmente.
Bueno.
Muchas gracias.
Que Dios me la cuide.
Gracias. Adiós. Gracias. Bye. Gracias. Bye. Bye. Gracias. Buen día. This place is truly incredible. Definitely a gem. It reminds me a little bit of, like, it feels like going into Xilitla, like the garden of Edward James. He's like a living Nicaraguan Edward James. He is definitely someone you could spend just ages with. He has such a love for everything. For him to show everything, he clearly loves it. It's just incredible. Back at the bike, and now I think I'll try and make it to Leon. Oh, almost went over at the bike.
And now to make it to the incredibly beautiful colonial town of Leon.
Let's jump on the bus and take a ride downtown. Well, I don't know about that, but can you help me first to get these boxes down? Well, I don't know about that. We have the whole day now just to ourselves, so we can clean the house or clear out some shelves.
Look at this old church here. Wow.
I don't know about that, 'cause it's my lazy day, just wanna lazy away. Ain't gonna do a thing for the rest of the day. You can try to...
Well, thank you for watching. And if you're enjoying the videos, feel free to help keep the journey going by contributing gas money. See you in the next one.
Let's call some friends.